We're here today because we're trying to bring this river back to life. It's been degraded by a whole bunch of different things. And so we're here to plant cottonwoods and willows. And cottonwoods and willows provide critical habitat for native fish and wildlife. It's our hope that these willows will grow up to be old granddaddy and grandmother trees, and that they will send out their cotton seed, and those cotton seeds will produce new trees up and down the Santa Fe River here. We do this work because rivers and streams are the arteries of life in the arid Southwest. Though they are only 1% of the landscape, they actually provide habitat for over 3/4 of all fish and wildlife, including dozens of species that are threatened with extinction.
An endangered willow flycatcher.
Oh, really?
So already our stuff's working, and we hope to have beaver come back in numbers, because one of the things about beaver that people don't really think about is that when they build up their dams and they engineer the river, it keeps the water in the system longer, which is great.
They're also recreational magnets. People love to be along water, and they're also very important in terms of providing renewable sources of clean water that we rely on for drinking and for agriculture and for other uses. So our streams and our rivers are vitally important, but we haven't treated them well. And Forest Guardians has been working for over a decade now to protect our streams and rivers. We're out here today planting cottonwoods and willows because they've been removed over the years through overgrazing by cattle and through other activities. And so we've got about 100 people out here today who are putting their hard work towards bringing this little ecosystem back to life.
Today we've got 3 different colored flags here. We have a green flag, a yellow flag, and a white flag. And you all are going to concentrate probably on the green and the yellow. The green is for willow, the yellow is for cottonwood.
We first started out here removing old berms and levees that were essentially big piles of dirt along the river, and we removed them so that the river could naturally meander across its floodplain, and when it does flood, the water can go over banked as rivers normally do. We've also been out here removing non-native trees, removing Russian olive and salt cedar and Siberian elm. And then in the last couple of weeks, we've been here actually drilling holes in the ground so that people could come out and plant cottonwoods and willows. And it's actually surprising how easy it is. We actually just go out and cut poles, literally cut a 10-foot tall cottonwood tree or a 6 or 8 foot tall willow tree and put them in water. And then a month or two later, on a day like today, people take those poles and pop them down in a hole, and then we backfill the hole with dirt.
Yeah, I've been pushing them down in. See, it's water down there, so you just put them in and then just go.
In another month, those trees will be leafing out and they'll be sending out roots in the ground, and you've really, what we've done is jump-started the healing process. River restoration is also an opportunity for us to not only connect with and build community, but also it's an opportunity for us to raise funds. And it's a lot like a lot of other creative fundraising opportunities. We have something we call the Stream Team, and Stream Team members go out and solicit funds from their family and friends. And the Stream Team gets donations of $5, $10, and $25 and $50. And with a lot of people out asking for support, we're going to raise over $30,000. And so it's a social enterprise, it's an ecological enterprise, and it's a financial enterprise as well.